Welcome to the DMV Practice Test Pro. Question 1. Before every ride, you should A. Modify the exhaust system. B. Clean and adjust your mirrors. C. Clean your wheels. D. Fill the gas tank. The correct answer is B. Question 2. Once a motorcycle helmet has been involved in a crash, it should be A. Inspected closely. B. Replaced. C. Sold to another rider. D. Outfitted with a new chin strap. The correct answer is B. Question 3. When passing a row of parked cars to your right when there is no oncoming traffic to your left, you should A. Stay toward the right side of your lane. B. Stay toward the left side of your lane. C. Look to your left frequently. D. Use your rearview mirrors more frequently than usual. The correct answer is B. Question 4. To prevent fatigue when riding on long trips, you should A. Take frequent breaks. B. Limit your distance. C. Dress for the elements. D. All of the above. The correct answer is D. Question 5. When riding in a group, inexperienced riders should position themselves A. Just behind the leader. B. In front of the group. C. At the tail end of the group. D. Beside the leader. The correct answer is A. Question 6. The middle portion of the lane usually contains an oily strip. You should A. Try to avoid the oily strip when it is raining. B. Ride only on the oily strip, as it provides increased traction. C. Avoid the entire center portion of the lane. D. Not worry about oil or other items in a lane. The correct answer is A. Question 7. If under the age of 21, an operator is A. Required to wear a helmet. B. Not required to wear a helmet. C. Allowed to decide if they want to wear a helmet. D. Safest without a helmet. The correct answer is A. Question 8. Motorcycle operators must wear helmets unless A. They are at least 21 years of age. B. They have at least $20,000 in first-party medical benefits. C. They have held a motorcycle endorsement for 2 years. D. All of the above. The correct answer is D. Question 9. Which of the following provides a rider with the best protection? A. Goggles. B. A face shield. C. A windshield. D. Eyeglasses. The correct answer is B. Question 10. Your lane position should A. Avoid other road users' blind spots. B. Provide a good view of the shoulder. C. Provide a poor view of road hazards. D. Invite others to share your lane. The correct answer is A. Question 11. When riding at night you should A. Increase your speed. B. Decrease your following distance. C. Use the vehicle in front of you to help see. D. Wear tinted glasses. The correct answer is C. Question 12. How should you respond to wind blasts coming from other vehicles? A. Ride more closely to the vehicle ahead. B. Let the wind push you. C. Lean into the wind. D. Lean away from the wind. The correct answer is C. Question 13. When an operator's left arm is extended straight out to the left, it means the operator A. is turning right. B. is turning left. C. is slowing or stopping. D. is pulling off of the road. The correct answer is B. Question 14. When you ride, the best gear to wear is A. any gear that helps to protect you. B. the lowest priced gear. C. gear that looks good. D. any gear that fits. The correct answer is A. Question 15. An anti-lock braking system, ABS, operates A. when maximum pressure is applied to only the front brake. B. when maximum pressure is applied to only the rear brake. C. when pressure is released from both the front and rear brakes. D. when maximum pressure is applied to both the front and rear brakes. The correct answer is D. Question 16. Intersections are usually A. safe since there is so much traffic there. B. a dangerous spot for riders. C. difficult to figure out. D. safer than the open road. The correct answer is B. Question 17. When turning left, you should A. press the right hand grip. B. press the left hand grip. C. press both hand grips at the same time. D. not press either hand grip. The correct answer is B. Question 18. If drinking alcohol, you should A. decide if you are still fit to ride based on how you feel after you finish drinking. B. set a limit beforehand so you can still safely ride. C. not ride. D. not be concerned about your riding abilities if you feel fine. The correct answer is C. Question 19. Which of the following surfaces is unlikely to provide poor traction for motorcyclists? A. Dry pavement. B. Wet leaves. C. Loose gravel. D. An ice patch. The correct answer is A. Question 20. When operating a motorcycle, you are A. entitled to the full width of a lane. B. required to share a lane with trucks. C. required to ride on the shoulder. When available. D. allowed to operate on the sidewalk. The correct answer is A.